all around the United Kingdom. And there are sometimes discrepancies between what we would allow in the UK as opposed to what is allowable in mainland Europe. And so that is subject to a process called validation, which is the sort of thing that's going on here on Thursday and Friday. So that is what they do. There's a lot of preparation work goes into the Fire Control Committee. The display director, who is effectively the boss of the whole operation, of course is in charge paramountly for safety. And that, of course, is what underpins all their work, is to ensure that there is a safe air show. The display director bears the brunt of that in coordination with air traffic control and all the other usual emergency services that we have present. So £5,200 of thrust accelerates these aircraft down the runway. The front section already now doing 100 whether that's through the use of our fast jet fleets in delivering combat air or through our newly updated mobile air mobility fleet in supporting ongoing operations or delivering humanitarian aid across the globe. For the Red Arrow's purpose, it's the Red Arrow! Started with a rolling display. It's 405, Roger, to rear right runway and form Apollo. Right, boys and girls, as the jets go upside down, this is where they'll see you waving. We fly have the unnumbered pilots on the left-hand side. Here you go, Enid. Keep your eyes on Jippo underneath. To the front, we need to look left for Enid. The wings of Enid drop down to form an inverted V, and if you look to your right, there's a load jet. He is red 9. Cameras ready for the goose. To the right, Enid
Reds 1, 4 and 5 ease up in battle formation. And as the coloured smoke comes on, they're going to fly the Revolution. Swaps their smoke colours using the aircraft's 3 individual colour control buttons on the aircraft's control column. Now we need to look to the right 45 degrees to find Enid. They are in a shape called Leader's Benefit. They're drawing a red, white and blue snake-like shape of smoke in the sky. This is the Waddington. Cameras ready for the corkscrew. Tight match rolls to the outside in the rollbacks. Now, boys and girls, give the synchro pair a wave as they fly past upside down. Times. This is the Twister.